Welcome back to my channel Lifetothepowerinfinity. I hope you all are doing well, and those of you are new to my channel, hi guys, I am Sreya Adhikary and I make videos related to beauty and lifestyle. If you haven't yet subscribed my channel, then do hit the subscribe button and be my friend guys, because it means a lot to me. So yeah, today's video is all about this makeup look right here. This is a very orangish candy popsicle makeup look with a very bright shimmery and glittery lips. I really liked this look for summers because it gives me that pop-up look. Guys, I really wanted to create this makeup look since a long time, something orangish and glittery and glam on look. I have created this makeup look just for you guys, and if you want to create this makeup look on you, then please keep on watching. Here is the complete makeup look. I hope you really liked and enjoyed this makeup tutorial of mine. Well, this is a very simple but yet glam on makeup look. I really love this makeup look, and if you want to create this makeup look, then do try back at home and share your experiences in the comment section below, guys. I'll be very happy reading those. And yes, those of you who haven't yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel for more of this kind of exciting makeup videos. So yeah guys, for today I'm just signing off and will bid you goodbye. Well, take care, stay home, stay safe, and yes, take care of your family. Bye.